But I'm happy that I arrived in the midst of the church still going on.
Ndiyafisa
I wish
ukuthi njengoba sila
that as
eKapa
we are here in Cape Town
enkonzweni
in church,
sisendaweni ebaluleke kakhulu
we are at a very important place.
indawo enomlando omkhulu
A place with great history.
kanti kunamahemhem ukuthi kukhona abafo abafuna ukuyithatha
There are rumors that there are people who want to take it away,
bayenze ibe omnye umhlaba.
they want to make it its own land.
Loo nto ke nokho ayisonwabisi
That does not
kuba
make us
lizwe lethu
happy,
leli.
for this is our country.
Xa sifuna inkonzo sizapha sazi uba sisezweni lethu.
When we want to hold a service, we want to come here knowing that we've come to our country.
Kodwa ke siyazi uba umhlaba solokhu wanyakaza kudala
We know that the earth has long been moving
ngezizathu ezininzi.
for many reasons.
Kaloku izwe lakowethu lathathwa ababefika kwelizwe.
Our own land was taken by visitors in this country.
Bathatha yonke into
They took everything.
basenza saba zimpula kalijaca.
They made us poor.
Sahlupheka thina nje emnyama.
We suffered as the black nation.
Kodwa xa sidibene ngohlobo sibane ngohlobo
But when we've gathered in unity like
sithetha
this,
noThixo
speaking to God,
sicela uba asinikezweni nathi inkululeko yethu.
asking that we be given our freedom.
Sekukudala ke
It's been long
sithetha sicenga uba ake sibe ngabantu nathi ezweni lawo baba bethu.
that we've been speaking, pleading that we be considered in our own country.
Kodwa kunzima.
But it's difficult.
Okhokho bethu
Our forefathers,
abefundisi
reverends,
namakhosi
and the royalty,
badela konke bathi asifuneni inkululeko yethu thina muntu omnyama.
gave up everything and say, let's go in search of our freedom, we the black nation.
Baqamba inhlangano yesizwe esimnyama
They formed a organization of the black nation,
ukuthi sonke
that all of us
sibe mnye
be united,
silwele izwe lakowethu.
fighting for our own land.
Sekube iminyaka eminingi ke
It's therefore been many years
silwele lenkululeko.
fighting for this freedom.
Siza emacaweni sizocela kwabasiphetheyo
Coming to churches to ask
ezweni
from those who are governing us in the country,
kanye nabefundisi abakhulu nabaphakathi nendawo nabakhulu kakhulu.
even to great pastors in the community.
Kwenzeka likhulu ke kuba sadibana nabantu abanamakhanda aqinile.
It happened that we came across stubborn people.
Ndiyazi kuba siyakhumbula lento endithetha ngayo, ndithetha ngalombutho wethu owawuqanjwe ngabefundisi namakhosi bethi sifuna izwe lawo ba omkhulu
I'm talking about this political
kuba
party
siyahlupheka.
that was formed by reverends and kings saying we want our own land for we are struggling.
Indaba yenhlupheko ke
The issue of suffering
inembali enkulu
has great history
kwabasiphetheyo kuba njalo
to those who are in charge. For all the time
siye sahlushwa,
we were
senziwa
persecuted
amakhoboka,
and made slaves
senziwa konke.
and done everything.
Kwenzeka okuningi kwelizwe.
A lot has happened in this country.
Kwafikelela khona lapho okuye kwacaca uba umuntu omnyama kufanele abanjwe afake ejele etolongweni
Time came where it became clear
uma
that a
elwela
black person
inkululeko.
had to be incarcerated for fighting for freedom.
Thina ke sikholwayo asikwazi ukungayithethi lembali kuba imbali esicelelayo uba kunento ofanele basiyenze sizikhulule emakhamandeleni.
We, the believers, cannot not talk about this history, for it's history that we need to tell so we can free ourselves from slavery.
Kuba singabantwana bakaNkulunkulu.
For we are children of God.
Siyakhumbula bakwethu ukuthi
We recall, beloved, that
inkokheli zethu
our leaders
zabanjwa
were arrested
zabekwa ityala ukuba ukufuna inkululeko lityala
and found
eSouth
guilty
Africa.
of searching for freedom, for it was declared criminal to search for freedom in South Africa.
Bagwetshwa ukuthi mabasuswe emhlabeni ngapha baziswe kulomhlatshana omncinci lapho olwandle okuthiwa iRobben Island.
They were condemned and sent to Robben Island.
Inkokheli
Leaders
ezazi nakho konke okubonisa ukucela ukuthi nathi asibe ngabantu abakhululekileyo.
who were pleading that we be free people.
Thina esikholwayo
We, the believers,
sithetha njalo ngamaqhawe ukuba Thixo yiba nathi.
speaking every Sunday that God be with us.
Inkokheli zethu zahlala lapha esiqithini
The leaders dwelleth in the island
ishumi leminyaka neminyaka esihlanu
for 15 years.
beboshelwa ukuthi balwela inkululeko yomuntu omnyama.
Arrested for fighting for the freedom of a black man.
Kwakubuhlungu ukuba ngumuntu omnyama eSouth Africa.
It was painful to be a black man in South Africa.
Amadoda ayengabantu abaholi bakwenyani benziwa amakhoboka.
Men were true leaders were enslaved.
Kodwa laze lafika ixesha lokuthi hayibo umuntu akacindezelwa lokho
But time
kwathiwa
came,
bakhulule noma babegwetshwe intambo kodwa kwathiwa hayi intambo
But
ukuhlala etolongweni forever.
but time came that a man may not be persecuted for a very long time, that they needed to be freed from the prisons they were sent to.
Kwathiwa hayi likhululekile izwe lakuwethu.
It was said this country is now free.
Khululwa inkokheli
Leaders were released.
kwathiwa kube khona ixoxo phakathi kwethu besulela inkululeko nabacinezeli.
It was
Kube
said,
khona ukuvelana ukuthi sizohlala ndawonye.
it was said there should be discussions among our persecuted and us who are fighting for freedom that would coexist.
Kwathiwa kuthethwe ukuthi sawuphila njani na.
It was said, let there be discussions regarding how we would live.
nyani
Indeed,
sasesikhona nathi sesiphila sasikhona apho
we were still alive,
kwaxoxwa ukuthi
present in those
nyani
discussions,
sikhululekile ngoku.
that indeed we are free now.
Nanjengoba nangoku kuthiwa sakhululeka.
Even though it is said now we're freed.
Kodwa okuye kwabonakala uba akwenzekanga.
What became clear that did not happen.
Kule kwethu ayiphelele. Njengabantu abamnyama.
Our freedom is not complete as the black nation.
Sisahlupheka.
We are still suffering.
Yaye ekuhambeni kwexesha
Along the time,
sadibana nokuthi thina kanye esithi siphethe izwe
we came
kodwa
across,
sesiyaphuma endleleni eyayibekwe ngobabamkhulu.
we find ourselves that even though we're in charge of the country, we veered off the track our forefathers gave us.
Kwahamba kwanzima kakhulu.
It became very difficult along the time.
Kwangabe kusahlukana nokuthi sisacinezekile ngoba sisacinezekile kakade.
It was the same as if we're still suffering, for we're still oppressed even now.
Thina esikholwayo sathandaza sicela kuThixo kuba Thixo yiba nathi.
We the believers prayed, asking God to be with us.
Kwanyanzeleka ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi sibone ukuthi la umbutho wethu obuwenziwe ngabokhokho bethu kule sikhululeke sihlangene basihlakaza abacinezeli.
It became compelling that the party which was formed by our forefathers was destroyed by our oppressors.
Xa sithetha nje namhlanje
As we speak today,
sihlukene ngendlela ezininzi.
we are divided in multiple ways.
Lento yenze ukuthi sithi hayi mawethu.
This has therefore led us to say no.
Lenhlangano wethu ebisihola
The party which
isikhokhela
leading us
phumile endleleni.
has now gone off the track.
Kwacaca uba ayikho into esizoyenza kunyanzelekile uba sithathe enye indlela siqhubekele phambili.
It became clear that there's nothing else to do but to take another way and move forward.
Sacela kubefundisi ukuthi sikhulekeleni esizokwenza kube impumelelo.
We ask from pastors to pray for us so that what we are going to do be a success.
Kuthe ngokuhamba kwexesha
Along the time,
sakha inhlangano yokulwela inkululeko umkhonto wesizwe.
we formed the MK party.
Yona esicinge uba yona ezosikhipha apha kule ngcindezelo.
Through which we thought it is the one that will take us out of this oppression.
Nyani
Indeed,
sithe xa sicela kubantu bakowethu
when we asked from our
ukuthi
people
singena odabeni lokugqibela
that
lokukhulula umuntu omnyama,
we are now entering the last fight to free a black man.
sesiqede unyaka ngoku
It's been years
sikwenzile
now
lokho
having done that.
nenyanga akukapheli iminyaka emibili.
It has not been 2 years though,
Kodwa
but
okubalulekileyo ukuthi
what is important is that
abantu bakowethu
our people
bayivile lento esimemezelayo
have heard that which we're talking about.
ukuthi sifuna ukukhuleka ezweni lakowethu.
That we want to be free in our own country.
Lokho kusho izinto ezininzi.
That means many things.
njengoba selokhu thina abantu abamnyama salilwe lizwe kusukela kudala
As we long been fighting for this nation as the black community,
ndicinga uba esikwenzayo ngoku
I think what we are doing now
kudlula konke sesike sakwenza ngaphambili.
is far much more than what we've done before.
Into okuyiyona esinikeza amandla
What gives us
nokuzimisela
strength and commitment
ukuthola indlu emnyama ihlangana.
is fighting the black
Andazi noma
house
siyibuka
united.
ngokufanayo na.
I'm not sure if you look at it the same.
Emaxesheni amaningi sibulela inkululeko
In most of the
sifuna
times,
ukukhululeka.
while fighting for freedom, wanting to be free,
Kuyaqala ngqa
it's the first time
ukuthi sibe baninzi ngohlobo esithi ixesha lethu lifikile.
that we are, as much as we're saying the time has come,
Akusekude
it is not
libuye
far
izwe lakowethu lize ezandleni zethu.
from us getting back our own land.
Ndifuna ukubulela inkokheli yethu esiholayo kuleli bandla,
I want to give thanks to our
Chief
leader
Apostle.
who's leading us in this community, the Chief Apostle.
Uyasilida
He is leading us.
ukhuluma noThixo,
He speaks to God.
ukhuluma nezingilozi,
He speaks to angels.
uthetha noYesu
He speaks to Jesus.
ukuthi khulula abantwana bakaNkuluNkulu emakhamandeleni.
He says, free the people of God, the children of God from bondage.
Ishintshile into,
It has now changed.
ishintshile into.
It has now changed.
Iyahlangana indlu emnyama.
A black community is uniting.
Nongaboni uyabona manje.
Even the one who does not see now sees.
Kuba asikwazi ukucinezelwa oko.
That we cannot be oppressed all the time.
Uyabona xa sidibene ngohlobo
When we've gathered this way,
sithumela umyalezo omkhulu esizweni sezwe lakowethu naseAfrika yonke
we are sending a
ukuthi
strong
ixesha
message
lokukhuleka kwethu lifikile.
to the country and the Africa at
Inkululeko
large,
isezandleni
that our
zethu.
time to be free has come. Freedom is in
Akekho
our hands.
yosisiza, siyosisiza thina.
Nobody is going to help us, but we're going to help ourselves.
Naxa sisecaweni njengoba siyela ngoku
Even when we're at church, that's
asikwazi
what we are now.
ungayithethi le
We cannot
kuba
speak about
senziwa
this,
amakhoboka ezweni lobaba bethu.
but we made slaves in the land of our forefathers.
Siyabulela
We thank you,
kokheli yethu
our leader,
ukuthi usikhombele le ndlela
that you've led us
ukuthi
in this path,
asikhululeke.
that we be free.
Sidele konke
We've lost
sifuna izwe lawo baba nomcebo
wanting
wakowethu.
the land of our fathers and its riches.
Xa sisecaweni
When we're at church
singathethi ngalokhu
and not speak about this,
ngabe asikhulumi inyani.
we will not be telling the truth.
Inyani ithi sisahlupheka thina.
The truth is that we're still suffering.
Kodwa bayibusa abafika ezweni loba omkhulu.
But those who arrived at our forefathers' land are still ruling.
Akekho umuntu ongacindezelwa oko kuze kube sekugqibeleni.
Nobody can be oppressed forever till the end.
Kufanele sithandaze,
We need to pray.
kufanele sikhulume,
We need to speak.
kufanele ukuthi sicele abantu ukuthi asihlanganeni sibe munye.
We need to ask people that we unite and be one.
Basenzele into elula ke ngoku.
They've done something
Kuba
easy
bathe
that they said
xa kuyiwa okhethweni
when we are approaching elections,
abaninzi abantu ibona bayophatha.
Many, the majority will be the one ruling.
Leyo nto ngamanye amazwi yayisho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi nibaninzi nina abantu abamnyama kulelizwe.
In other words, this
Kwinani
man God was
ukhetho
saying,
niphatha izwe
you
lenu.
are the majority and
Ingehlula
represent this country.
thina ke xa singayiboni loo nto.
Win elections and take charge of the country.
Ukuthi uThixo uthe hayibo bekani phansi ikhali.
If we don't see that, God said,
Votani
let's put down
nithathe izwe lenu.
arms and start and vote and take over the country.
Xa singayiboni loo nto
If we don't see that,
ithethe enye into.
it says something else.
Ingakho sithi nje emnyama ihlangane
Hence, we said the black community must unite
ukuthi sithathe amandla ethu okuphatha izwe lethu.
so that we take our strength to rule this country.
Lokho kuumthetho kaNkulunkulu othe abantu abakhile endaweni yakhe umbutho wabantu kanye
Uniting
nebandla labantu
an
leli.
organization of men and the community of men.
Ngeke nakancinci
It will not happen.
sehlulwe ukuthola inkululeko yethu kule game.
It will not happen that we're unable to get our freedom this time around.
Kuyovuka nokhokho bame ngenyawo.
Even our forefathers will
Kovuka
resurrect and
ingilozi
stand
zime
up.
ngenyawo.
Angels will resurrect and stand up.
Akubalulekile ukuthi sicinge enye into ngoku.
It is not
Asilwe
important
asibulalani
that we think
sizovota.
We're not fighting, we're not
Sithathe
killing
izwe
anybody.
lethu,
We're going to vote
sithathe ukubusa kwethu
and take
sibuse.
over our country and rule.
Xaba kwethu ngoba singamakholwa thina.
As believers that we are,
Kubantu esihlangana nabo noma yimaphi nathi sihlala nabo noma yimaphi kufanele sibatshene ukuthi lifikile ixesha lomuntu omnyama ukuthi aphathe izwe lakhe.
when we meet with people whom we stay with, we must tell them that time for the black men to take charge of their own country has come.
Andiboni uba singoyisakala bakwethu.
I don't think this will defeat us.
Ubani owayecabanga ukuthi ecinga ukuthi
Whoever thought
singahlangana ngalendlela esihlangene ngayo.
we would gather the way we have now.
Phezolo
Yesterday,
inkokheli bezilapha sithetha.
leaders were here speaking
Kuhlangene thina
in our own gathering
sisonke sinto enye.
together as one.
Singahluleka kanjani?
How would we be defeated?
Izimpi kudala zaziliwa naseminyakeni emidala.
Wars used to be fought in the
Abanye
primitive
besuswe
times.
endaweni zabo besuka kwezinye indawo.
People will be moved from their places to others,
Kodwa bathi sesibuyele ekhaya.
but they say we are now going back home.
Abakholwayo bayayazi lembali.
Those who believe know this history.
Ayikho into ehlula abantu uma bethi sifuna lento eyiqiniso into kaNkulunkulu.
There's nothing that can stand against the will of people who are saying want the truth, that which is the will of God.
Sithe kwenye inkonzo sihlangene sathi
We said in this other church,
siyalithatha izwe.
we say we're taking this country.
Akube into esishumayelayo le.
Let this be what we preach.
Sikube nentshumayelo kaThixo na yonke
Mix it
into
with the preaching of God
sicele
in
kwabadala sicele
And ask from
ey'ngilozini
the elders and
ukuthi
ask
ixesha
from
lifikile.
angels that time has come.
Noma kuphina
Wherever it is,
nasemakhuleni amadala
even in all the corners,
xa icela uNkulunkulu wayewanikeza amandla
when they will
ngeke
ask,
angasinikeza
God will give
amandla
us power.
nathi
God will grant us the strength we
ukuthi
need.
asibuye izwe lobaba libe sezandleni zethu nomcebo wobaba usezandleni zethu
That will
nombuso
reclaim
wethu ube sezandleni
the land
zethu.
of our Father, the riches of our Father, and the wealth be in our hands.
Ngicela mina makholwa ukuthi
I'm asking you, the
noma
believers,
silala noma
that
sivuka
even when we sleep or wake up,
sibuke kuThixo
let's look up to
ukuthi
God
Thixo iba nathi
and
sipha
say,
amandla
God, be with us, give us
njengoba
strength,
wabapha abanye abaholi eminyakeni emininzi
as you
eyachithayo.
gave the other leaders
Ixesha
many years ago.
lifikile
Time has come
ukuthi sifuna ukuliphatha lelizwe
that we
lethu.
want to take charge of this
Akuyona
country.
into nje siyithetha.
It's not just what we're
Thetha
saying.
ngoba sithi ixesha lifikile.
It's what we're saying because the time has come.
Ngifuna ukunibonga ke
I want to thank you,
makholwa kithi
our
ukuthi
believers,
ukubheka enkosini sithethe nawo sithi Thixo Thixo
that looking up to the
sikhulule.
Lord and say, God, free
Nabanye
us.
basho
The others
wabakhulula.
said the same thing and he freed
Nathi
them.
uzosikhulula.
We also is going to free us.
Ngoba noma singakhuluma sithini
For even if we may talk,
kodwa uma singakwazi ukuyisa uchaba lwethu olwasukelayo
if we can't defeat our own enemy,
mhlawumbe sothi siyaqhamuka kwabangcwele bathi laba bayabenjani lapha.
when we come or visit the holy, they'll say, what kind of people these used to be?
Ngifuna ukubonga kakhulu ukuthi
I want to give thanks that
ntathola ithuba into esibusa ngoku noma sithandaza
what we are
ukuthi
praying for
ayiphele inhlupheko kumuntu omnyama.
is that let's end poverty in a black man.
Indlu emnyama ayibuphane
Let
ibenye.
the black community come together and be one.
Ayikho into engasoyisa bakwethu.
There's nothing that can defeat us.
Nasebunzimeni
Even in difficult
abaninzi
times,
baphumelela ngoba babezimisele.
many succeeded for they were committed.
uThixo makasincede.
May God help us.
Kokheli yethu
Our leader,
sithembele kuwe,
we have trust in you.
sithembele kuwe,
We trust you.
sithembele kubafundisi.
We trust the pastors.
Kuba asahlehli ngoku.
For we are not retreating now.
Ngeke sinakancinci.
We want even
Ninsi
a
izinto
little bit.
ezenzeke kuthi njengoba ndisho nje
There's a lot
mina
that happened to
ndiva
us.
ngendaba ndandikhona esiqithini.
I'm not being
Ndahlala
told the
10 years
story.
yonke.
I was in Robben Island for 10 years.
Siboshwele ubali ukuthi sifuna inkululeko.
We're incarcerated for wanting our own freedom.
Ndake ndahamba ndalishiya ilizwe.
I once left this country.
Shumi leminyaka neminyaka emine ngemva kwalokho.
For 14 years after that,
Silwela lenkululeko.
fighting for this freedom.
Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangathi hey uyakhuluma lokuba wayegangile waboshwa kwahle kwavuthwa kwasala amalahle.
Many would say I'm speaking for I was in trouble and got incarcerated.
Mina lo
I,
kulelizwe sithi sikhulekile kulo.
in this nation in which we say we are free,
Ndiye ndathathwa uhulumente lo
I was taken by this
lo
government,
engangikuye
this government in which I was,
ingenatyala
without any wrongdoing.
bandifaka entorongweni.
They threw me in prison.
Kwacishe kwabhubha abantu.
People nearly died,
Into eyenza ukuthi ndibone uba ndiye lapha entorongweni.
which made me
Ndandithi
to go.
andisindise abantu bakithi abazophinde babulawe.
I went
Ngoba
to prison to save my people.
thina siyabulawa nje noma kanjani.
For we are just killed no matter how.
Kwasha amajaji.
Judges said,
Into ebuhlungu kakhulu yokulwana jaji lalikhipha isigwebo
the most
lali
painful,
umama.
the judge who
Lathi
handed
kuba
down the
uZuma
judgment
akafuna ukuyenza lento
was a woman.
simbophe noma
He
ngabe
said
umthetho
if
ungavumi
The
siyambopha.
former president doesn't want to do this. Let's arrest him.
Inkululeko ke leyo
That is
okuthiwa
the
sisi
freedom
kuyona.
in which we are told we
Yilento
are.
ethi asilwele izwe lethu ukuthi sikhululeke.
Hence we say, well, let's fight for our country so we may be free.
Sihlangeneke manje thina
We've
thina nje
gathered
emnyama.
as
And
the black
siyahlangana zonke
community.
izinsuku
We gather all the time.
solithatha izwe labawo.
We'll reclaim our father's land,
Noma kumnyama noma kubomvu.
even if it's dark or blue.
Hayi. Benithetha nje
I was
lenzela
just
uba
saying,
sazi ukuthi sisempini,
so that we may know we are in war.
sifuna inkululeko yethu.
We want our freedom.
Ukhona napha phakathi uthi ungayifuni inkululeko?
Is there amongst us who does not want this freedom?
Asifuni?
Do you not want the freedom?
Nanso asithathe.
Let's take it.
Ndiyabulela. Bulela
thank you.
kakhulu.
I thank you
Benifuna
very
nje
much.
ukusho lokho
I
namhlanje.
wanted to just say that
Ngingasho
today
into eziningi.
and not say many things.
Leyo nje ukuthi
That
ngoku
now
indlu emnyama
black
iyahlangana.
community is uniting.
Nabekade bengaboni bayabona
Even
manje.
those who did not
Ukuthi
see
ixesha
now see
lifikile
that time has come
lokukhuleka umuntu omnyama.
for the freedom of the black man.
Singathi siba ngaka soyiswe ukuvota nje ukuwina ngokuvota.
Can't we win by voting as
Kanti
much
ngabe
as we
singabantu
are?
abanjani?
What kind of people would we be?
Thini bafondini? Thini? Hayi ke ndiyazi ukuthi isiXhosa sami sesalimala ndandinaso kudala.
I used to have a bit
Kodwa
of this
ndinivile.
but it's depleted now.
Siyabulela baba kwethu.
We thank you.
Ndivuyela nje
We
ukuthi
thank
ngibe
you very
khona
much.
la. Ngixolisa ukuba ndifike late.
I'm glad to be
Kodwa
here and
ndivuya
apologizing for
ukuthi
being late,
inkonzo
but I'm happy
nansi.
that the church is here.
Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
I thank you very much.
Asibeni munye.
Let us be united.
Asihlanganeni nje
Let
emnyama.
us come together.
Ixesha
The black
lifikile.
community. Time has come.
Asicelele wonke umuntu
Let's
ukuthi
tell
ixesha
everybody
lifikile.
that time has come.
Ndiyabulela.